down here. I didn't bring the other camera. The other camera's in the other truck, so I'm gonna just do a quick one here on jointing the fire brick, and then hopefully tomorrow I will bring the other camera and videotape the rest of the firebox. So these fire bricks are super porous. Some people soak them. I don't like soaking them because they get slimy. Even if you soak them a little, you have to soak the crap out of them to get it to not absorb the water instantly out of the mud, and then they slip and slide on you and everything. I just don't. So you literally have to lay a brick like that, and I can't do it with one hand here and everything, but to lay a brick like that, you probably have 10 seconds. Then put your mud down. By the time you start buttering your edges of your brick, you got about 10 seconds to get it in and get it down. So it's just a lot of practice, because once it starts to set and everything, it's rock hard instantly. I mean, I'll show you this here real quick. See? Mud's pretty soupy. I keep my mud soupy for this too. So, but watch. Just say you're buttering that up like that, right? What's it been? About 5 seconds or something? Totally sucked the water right out of the mud. Just nothing but crumbly. Just like that. So you have zero time to do it. So it's just a matter of practice on that. Sorry, I don't even know where the hell I was holding the phone there. Probably right into the light. But anyway, so joint these. Let me see if I can wedge the phone in between a couple brick here or something. So don't worry about the all these droppings and everything on here. I mean, try not to make an absolute mess out of it. But what I do is join it up quick, and then come back with the edge of the trowel, or sometimes, and just shave these. Focus. Shave that little any ridges off, and then take a sponge and then clean up these brick. That's the one good thing about them, is they clean up fairly easily with a sponge. So I just take a sponge and clean water and just wipe any real bad areas. So.
Life is already full of surprises, but your tuition shouldn't be one of them. While education costs rise in the U.S. every year,
real thin kerf on the joiner.
With
You can see that.
We
That
lock
just a
in your
little
tuition,
thin.
so you can count on fixed affordable tuition from the moment you enroll to the day you graduate from your program. Learn more.
And that's about as much time as you get right there, because now if you keep going like that, you're gonna burn it, because and you can even like that. I can see a little metal streak because it sucks the water out instantly. But that's basically, any once in a while you get a little void in between the joint, just push the water down in there. Make sure it's filled. I take that thin kerf like that, put it right over where it looks like it's full too. It doesn't just have to be in a voided area. But this is giving it nice, fresh, creamy, and the mortar that's in the joint isn't really compacted, so you can kind of push the fresh stuff down and slick it up at the same time, So. Just like that, and then, like I said, take the like that, and take it, hit it up again a little bit if you have to, and then take a sponge and just go over it and wipe it up. So, but I'll bring the camera tomorrow, and I'll show you how to lay out the shape of the firebox, build the firebox, and the whole 9 yards. So there you go.